Hi, I'm Manfredini, Ace's home expert, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to paint a tall wall. Now, the most important thing about painting a tall wall is being safe. You'll be off the ground for at least a portion of this project, so let's start there. First, figure out how tall the wall is. Then be sure you have a ladder or scaffolding that can safely reach that height. If you'd be more comfortable with scaffolding, check with your local ACE to see if they rent or sell it. For painting above the stairs, a little giant ladder like this works great. Now that you're sure you can reach all the parts of the wall safely, the process to paint the wall is the same as a normal height wall. Start by laying down a drop cloth before heading up on the ladder and make sure it's as steady as it can be and won't move on you. Then start cutting in along the seam between the wall and the ceiling. Our ACE handyman is very confident in his ability to cut in cleanly, but for the rest of us, I'd recommend taping the ceiling before cutting it in. Cut in using a brush. A brush gives you greater control over painting. And once you've finished cutting in with a brush, go over that area again with a roller to smooth the paint out. Now that you're done cutting, come down off that ladder, attach a roller to an extension pole, and start rolling the wall. When rolling a wall this tall, be sure not to overfill the roller. You're going to be working over your head, and that increases the chance of dripping. Take your time and be cognizant of your surroundings. You don't want to hit anything with your extension pole. If you're not that confident on a ladder or being up that high, then contact your local ACE handyman or ACE painting service for help. Got your ladder and the color ready, but there's some imperfections on the wall? Well, my video on how to prep a wall for painting is coming up next.